8 daily habits you need to stop immediately. There are many seemingly innocent daily habits that if we realize how disgusting or unhealthy they are, we will stop them immediately. We are not talking about forgetting to brush your teeth before going to bed or forgetting to cover your mouth when you yawn. Keep reading about some of the daily habits you need to stop immediately according to appropriate living. 1. Sneezing in your palms. Many of us are guilty of this, but sneezing in the crook of your elbows is safer than your palms because the palm retains the germs. This poses a health risk to not just you but also the people you come in contact with. 2. Sharing drinks with others. Sharing your friend's drink is cool and affectionate, but when you do this, you are also sharing their saliva. The saliva can easily transmit disease that either you or your friend has. 3. Keeping your bag on the table. Your bag travels everywhere and accumulates germs on the way. A study by an English company, Initial Washroom Hygiene, found out that a bag actually contains on average more bacteria than most toilets. When next you go out for a meal, you might want to reconsider before putting your bag on the same table. 4. Biting your nails. Already tagged a bad habit, you now have more reasons to stop this habit. Firstly, it is impossible to have perfectly clean hands all day long, and that is why most germs hide in your nails, and when you bite your nails you bring these germs directly to your mouth. Secondly, biting your nails is also really bad for your teeth. It affects your enamel and brings your gums in contact with the bacteria in your nails. 5. Using hand dryers. When next you visit a restroom, you may want to rethink it before you use the hand dryer, because recent studies show that a hand dryer sends out from 40 to 60 colonies of bacteria when you use it. It is interesting to note that you are only exposed to 1 colony of bacteria while you use the toilet. 6. Picking up food from the ground for consumption. Once your food falls on the floor, just forget about picking it up to eat, because let's face it, the ground is not exactly the healthiest platter. 7. Leaving your wet towel to dry in the bathroom. Many of us, this writer included, is in the habit of hanging wet towel in the bathroom to dry, but a wet towel not only attracts new germs but also keeps the bacteria and germs you left to it while using it. 8. Cleaning your ears with your fingers. This doesn't clean earwax, rather, what you do is you push it further inside, making it block your ear canal, which can affect your hearing. Bacteria are also introduced to your hand and pose dangers to your health. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.